Welcome to Vintage Nook. If you love cozy rustic decor with a touch of cottagecore charm, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring Green Rustic Repurposed Decor, how to style DIY and upcycled finds to create a warm, inviting home this spring. Get ready for creative, budget-friendly ideas to transform every room into a dreamy cottage retreat. Transform your living room into a warm and inviting space with upcycled treasures. Repurpose old wooden crates into rustic shelves or coffee tables. Add a fresh spring touch by placing potted herbs or wildflowers in vintage glass jars. Soft, earth-toned cushions and handmade throws complete the cozy ambience. Enhance the rustic feel by incorporating repurposed shutters or distressed wood panels as wall decor. Hang fairy lights or antique lanterns to create a dreamy glow in the evenings. Mix and match furniture with flea market finds, giving your space a charming lived-in aesthetic that feels personal and unique. Breathe life into forgotten items by transforming old picture frames into decorative mirrors or chalkboards. Use reclaimed barn wood to create statement pieces like a floating shelf or a mantel display. Layer natural textures such as rattan baskets and linen curtains to evoke a sense of rustic tranquility. To tie everything together, introduce soft greens and neutral hues through fabrics, rugs, and painted accents. Keep the space airy with light sheer curtains that let natural sunlight in. The combination of greenery, vintage elements, and DIY finds creates a cozy yet elegant cottagecore retreat perfect for spring. Give your kitchen a green rustic makeover by incorporating upcycled wood and nature-inspired elements. Use an old wooden ladder as a hanging pot rack or floating shelves to display vintage ceramics and earthenware. Decorate with potted herbs like rosemary, basil, and thyme for both function and beauty. Add charm by repurposing glass jars into spice containers with handwritten labels. Salvaged wood can be used for open shelving, providing both storage and a rustic touch. Consider incorporating a farmhouse-style table with mismatched chairs to enhance the cozy cottagecore aesthetic. For a springtime feel, introduce fresh floral arrangements in repurposed tin cans or ceramic pitchers. Hang dried flowers or botanical prints on the walls to bring a touch of nature indoors. Soft lighting, such as candles or Edison bulbs, can enhance the warm and inviting atmosphere. Balance the rustic elements with soft pastel tones in dishware, linens, and accessories. A simple DIY table runner made from burlap or linen adds texture and charm. These small yet impactful details create a harmonious blend of repurposed finds and timeless cottagecore elegance. Create a serene bedroom retreat with soft, vintage-inspired decor and upcycled furniture. Start with a repurposed wooden headboard or an antique wrought iron bed frame to set the rustic tone. Layer the bed with floral or lace bedding, cozy knit throws, and handmade pillows for a dreamy, inviting look. Repurpose an old dresser with a distressed paint finish and vintage-style knobs. Display delicate trinkets, dried flowers, and scented candles on top for an elegant, nostalgic feel. Use old suitcases or wooden crates as unique nightstands or storage solutions, adding charm and function to the space. Enhance the cottagecore aesthetic with sheer curtains that allow soft sunlight to filter through. Hang a DIY floral wreath above the bed or a collection of antique mirrors for a romantic touch. Repurposed picture frames or window panes can be used to create an artistic gallery wall. Keep the color palette light and airy with muted greens, blush pinks, and creamy whites. Introduce fresh or dried flowers in upcycled glass bottles or ceramic vases for a natural springtime feel. This balance of rustic charm and delicate vintage elements transforms your bedroom into a tranquil haven. Turn your bathroom into a rustic sanctuary with nature-inspired decor and repurposed accents. Use an antique dresser as a vanity, fitting it with a modern sink for a unique blend of old and new. Wooden shelves made from reclaimed wood provide stylish storage for towels, candles, and bath essentials. For a fresh spring vibe, incorporate greenery through hanging planters, potted ferns, or eucalyptus bundles. Repurpose glass jars or vintage tins to store cotton balls, soaps, and bath salts. A clawfoot tub, if available, enhances the rustic elegance and provides the perfect relaxation spot. Introduce soft lighting with candles or warm LED string lights around a repurposed mirror. Consider using an old wooden ladder as a towel rack, adding charm while keeping functionality in mind. Floral or botanical wallpaper can add a subtle yet striking touch to your rustic bathroom retreat. To complete the look, opt for soft linens in neutral or pastel shades. Add hand-woven baskets for extra storage, keeping everything organized and visually appealing. These thoughtful, upcycled details bring warmth and character, making your bathroom a cozy, spring-ready haven. The final step in your green rustic decor transformation is adding subtle spring accents throughout your home. Start by placing fresh-cut flowers in repurposed mason jars, teacups, or ceramic pitchers for a soft and natural touch. Wreaths made from twigs, flowers, or herbs add a charming seasonal element to doors and walls. Incorporate nature-inspired textures such as linen, burlap, and woven baskets to enhance the cozy, organic feel. DIY candle holders made from reclaimed wood or glass jars filled with fairy lights can create a warm ambience in the evenings. Handmade fabric bunting or vintage lace doilies can add delicate details to tables and shelves. For a cohesive look, introduce earthy tones and soft pastels in cushions, rugs, and throws. Small touches like botanical prints, vintage postcards, or dried flower arrangements add personality and warmth to every corner. These details help bring a breath of fresh spring air into your rustic-inspired space. Finally, embrace the beauty of imperfection by mixing old with new and layering different textures. Allow each DIY piece to tell a story, creating a home that feels inviting, personal, and effortlessly charming. With these final touches, your cottagecore spring retreat is ready to enjoy. That's it for today's video. I hope these ideas inspire you to bring a fresh, rustic charm into your home this spring. Let me know your favorite tip in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cozy cottagecore inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Vintage Nook.